This is the uh, this is the uh, this is the American University of Beirut. American University of Beirut. This is a Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program, and this is for graduate category. And this particular one is for master's degree. Those who are pursuing a program in online master's degree program. This university is located in Lebanon. Now, Lebanon is in Europe. It's in Europe towards the Turkish region. So, though it's an Islamic country, so uh, that's where the university is. But before that, it's an online program. So that means if you intend to study this particular program, you can study from anywhere you wish or anywhere you intend to study from. So that's one thing you should kind of take note of. Okay, so now let's look at the various programs that are available. This program that are available, we actually have said that it's a master's degree program and it's an online degree, online master's degree. So a very few of handful courses are available. We have masters in engineering management, masters in computing in education, masters in business administration, and these are the few courses that are eligible for this scholarship. So to be eligible, one, you need to have good academic standing in previous degree. Two, talent that exceeds financial resources. Three, commitment to giving back to the community, country, and region. Four, leadership skills. Five, commitment to attend all additional learning experience and workshop required by the scholarship program. Six, 35 years or younger, 35 years of age or younger. Seven, demonstration of readiness for university studies in English by July 31st, 2023. Okay, so those are the criteria needed. Then here is a link that leads to the online graduate application portal for you to apply to University of Beirut in Lebanon. University of Beirut is in Lebanon, so that's one thing you should also know. So here's the application link. Sign up. After signing up, you get a notification, an email notification, and a confirmation email. Then from the confirmation email, you continue the process of, uh, of your completing your application for a master's program at the American University of Beirut in Lebanon. Okay, guys, so that's all for that. Remember that all Mastercard Foundation scholarships are fully funded, and this means that you have nothing to worry about while studying under a Mastercard Foundation scholarship. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. Moses Obaris, and I'll talk to you in the next one.